Hi, welcome to Informatica session. Now we have to load indirect file loading to multiple delimiters flat file into table. We see how it will be stored. So now we are having our files S underscore employees 1, employees 2, employees 3, employees 4, employees 5. We're having total 5 files here. So we have created one text file that is indirect method. In that we are having the location of the each file. C colon Informatica 10.2 server info shared. This is the location of this file and our employees 1, employees 2, employees 3 within the extension of .csv file. We remember that this indirect method extension is .txt. Now we look at Informatica connections. So first we load our source file, flat file. Already in the earlier video we how the flat file load into this Informatica we seen. Now just we are having already we imported everything, so just we are give you the mapping here, same like our earlier session, but little bit changes in the session level properties. So we take the s underscore f underscore employees one. Again we take here, we know already how to give this date format also same, then the flat file. So go to the workflow. Already I created the session here, wf underscore flat file underscore indirect underscore table. So the session level properties are very important, we keep in mind. Go to the mappings. Our source qualifier flat file is, this is a file reader, and we have to keep in mind here the input type is file type here. Here we should know the source file type. So earlier we are having direct, but we are giving here indirect. So this is the indirect file, and where the directory is located $pm source file slash one. Under the one we are having these all files. So here the source file name here, what we are giving, we are giving here our text file name. The text file which contains all the file locations of our source files. We don't give each and individual file names here. We should give only the text file name. This text file is contains all the locations, all the URLs of the file locations. We're having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. We go to the workflow. Now we give here indirect underscore method dot txt. This one, our target is point to target. We are just truncating our table options, and we are giving this one. Okay. Now we save these sessions and go to start workflow. So it is succeeded. So total 535 records. How many records we are having? Each individual we are having 107 records. 107 into 5 tables. Total 535. It is matched here. So we see here also, select star from T underscore employees. So now we got here total how many records? We got all 535 records. Now we see little bit changes in this our source directory. If I remove, this between middle one, if I remove this one and save it, Again I run this workflow. What will happen? Let's see. It is succeeded. So now only appended 428 records into the target tables. So you see here, it got loaded only 428 records. Normally, in the real-time scenario, we have to create this text file by through this command prompt. So that we'll see in the next video. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe, share my videos. Please encourage our channel. Thank you very much, sir.